Well, we got our new bearings. I was able to salvage those bearing hubs. You can see that you're seeing. Cut the old race off with the torches, which worked good. I didn't nick them or nothing. We just cleaned them up, sanded them, got them back in good shape. Got the pickup head all rebuilt, back in good shape. You can see up in there's where the cam followers and stuff go. We replaced all them. Had to work on some of these ends and stuff and do some straightening and things. Hopefully, I think everything should be in good shape on that now. Well, we got a roller back in. I took a ratchet strap, put it across the top, and lifted the whole unit up. Then slid the roller in and took bungee cords to, you can see that one, and there's one on that side to support the roller, and then I lined the bolts up and got them in and tightened up. So that wasn't bad at all. So if you do one of these, unless you just want to take the belts loose, I'd say your quickest bet's to leave them in there and do it like I did. Pretty simple. A lot easier than I was expecting. Well, I'm gonna get this stuff took loose and try to get this section put back in there. Easy peasy. Now this bolt right in here, you can't get in or out with it in this position. So all I'm gonna do is put everything else in, raise it up, and I can get that one in once it's raised up. Or you can put I might take that ratchet strap and lift that part up or something. You can put a camera on and pull it up. We'll see. But basically it's just bolting her back together now. What we're doing now is my square baler. The knives in it don't line up good. Right here's one of them. I videoed taking it out, or thought I did, but somebody didn't hit record, which is my specialty. But anyways, this knife goes on the bell plunger, and then there's a knife that's mounted to the side of the bell chamber, and there's too much of a gap between them. So I'm making some shims to go in there to space this knife out, and we'll sharpen it up good and stuff, dress it up, and use it, shim it up and see how close, if we can get it good and close to where it'll cut the hay better. In heavy hay, it tries to foul up, get it in a bind, and the shear pins shear. So we'll see if we can't get something straightened out on it here. And we'll take a grinder and cut this out and then drill it and All right. Got that hacked out of there. There's the bit I was needing, but it's dull. We'll drill it this one and then we can drill it with one of them others if it ain't big enough. Try a bolt in it, but I don't believe it's gonna fit. Nope, gonna have to be drilled a little bigger. I need to get me some new drill bits. They had some good ones down at the farm show I should have got. Or it looked like they would have been good ones. They may have had some good ones to demo with. Then what you bought might not have been the best. Well, I guess it helps us smarter than a drill shut. All right, believe that's gonna work. Now we'll clean it up a little. Sharpen this knife a little. The winds are blowing through there right in my face. Okay. I don't know what combination of these I'm going to use yet. I wish I could have showed y'all before, but she's tight. That ought to do a good job right there now.